Researchers, policymakers, regulators, innovators, and health professionals need access to health data representative of the European population to carry out research. Their research is needed to develop new medicines, better diagnosis tools, and innovative treatments that are safe and reliable. However, currently they experience a wide range of difficulties, namely, different laws and rules to access and use health data, lack of a common European approach, inconsistent use of practices and standards, cumbersome to discover and use data from multiple countries. These limitations slow down Europe's capacity to address the growing health concerns affecting European citizens. In order to overcome present difficulties, the European Health Data Space Regulation proposes the creation of the Health Data at EU cross-border infrastructure. This infrastructure enables researchers, policymakers, regulators, innovators, and health professionals to discover and access health data across the EU member states and other countries, following a common set of rules and standards. Health data at EU reduces burden and accelerates the use of health data by: Number 1. Facilitating discovery of the most suitable health data for a research question. Number 2. Streamlining the access process with one single application to access data from several countries. Number 3. Ensuring consistent and harmonized rules and timeframe for data access applications. Number 4. Safeguarding everyone's privacy by using health data only in secure processing environments. Number 5. Making data projects results publicly available, so that everyone can benefit from them. The health data at EU will contribute to unlock the potential of health data delivering benefits to all of us, will ensure cost-effectiveness and efficacy. In particular, it will accelerate research on new preventive strategies, treatments, and medicines, boost innovation in personalized medicine, improve the quality and sustainability of health systems across EU member states, better inform public administrations to shape public health policies and to tackle health challenges. The health data at EU will not allow unlawful requests. Health data will be anonymized or pseudonymized to preserve the privacy of citizens and made available in a secure processing environment. Penalties will be issued in case of infringement of the law. Let's build it together and for everyone. Learn more on how to connect to health data at EU, facilitate the use of health data and discover health data.